Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how can you download Adobe Express on your computer. So for downloading it, press on Window key and then search here Microsoft Store and then open it. So now here inside the Microsoft Store on the search bar, search here for Adobe Express. So here you can see Adobe Express is showing, but let me click on this Adobe Express. So here you can see Adobe Express is showing and I have already installed it. But let me show you the method how can you install this. So you have to first install Adobe Creative Plus. So now click on it and then install it from here. So as I have already installed this is showing as open. So let me open this. So just wait until this is opening. So here you can see as I have already signed up and logged in into Adobe Creative Cloud. So this is showing as this is screen, but in your case, you have to first sign up with your Google account. So now go to apps. So now here you can see Adobe Express is showing. Now here you can see the option use for free. So now click on it, use for free and just wait. So here you can see Adobe Express is launching. So as you can see, Adobe Express is successfully launched on my computer. So this is how you can use Adobe Express absolutely for free. So I hope this video is helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe. And thanks for watching.